Okay, this is the staging area where we're cutting it up and getting it ready to take down and put together. Here we've got the roof and where the seat goes, and here we've got the base. We've got the plates for the walls laid out. We're cutting the walls for height. I'm going to go 6.5 foot in the back, 7 foot in the front. And that little blue barrel over there is going to go inside to keep anything from splashing on the wood and rotting it out prematurely. So that's where we're at up here. Well, the base is down. Got some rocks underneath of it to hold it up off the ground a little bit so it doesn't rot so fast. And there's the hole in the middle. Around here there's so many rocks it's hard to dig a hole, but that should be plenty considering this isn't going to get that much use. Got a little step stone here in the front. Still a little bit wobbly, but not bad. We'll find a rock to shove up under there and hold it. In the meantime, Randy got the base down. I've been playing in the fire. Now we got to start building walls. Where'd Randy go? He wandered down the trail. Well, here we are partially done. Got side walls up, building the back wall. It's taking shape. We are soon going to have an outhouse. And a pretty paneled outhouse too, with that vinyl stuff on the outside. Eventually it's going to be covered in cedar boards, but the paneling is temporary. I just want to get it up. We have the eclipse coming on April 8th, and I got quite a few people coming to see the eclipse and spend the weekend here. Tomorrow's Saturday. That's when most of them arrive, so I thought it'd be nice if they had a place to go. Well, this is where we are a few hours later. Got side walls, center post in the back, seats almost done. You can see how we've done it there with the barrel. The barrel kind of shields it when it goes down till it gets down far enough so there's nothing splattering on the inside of the box to make it go bad faster. Everything we can to make it last longer, you know. That's where we are now. Randy's just installing the board in front of there to make it look pretty. And so you don't drop your phone down there. That would not be good. Using generator power. And it is gorgeous down in the woods today. I just took a short video on the ride down there. It's like, man, it's pretty. All them dogwoods blooming. Have to check that one out. Well, the dogwoods are blooming. I love the forest in the springtime. Not quite to the prettiest part yet. We're only a few days away. Problem is, in a few days it's going to be raining. Got the eclipse on Monday. It's supposed to rain Monday night. I just hope we don't have clouds all day Monday. Big one over there. Really big dogwood. Look in there, look at all them flowers. We got some over here, and there's the creek down there in the bottom with the little green around it. It's always prettier that way. I just love the Midwestern woods and the hardwood forest. In the springtime, early spring, when things are just starting to bud out and turn green. Yep, they are gorgeous. Oops, sorry. Look at all the dogwood Most of them are just getting ready to bloom, but the big ones are already starting to bloom up there. There's our deep down in the woods camping site over there on the other side of the creek. It was there before I bought the place. They had a clearing for some reason. I think they did it to shoot deer, because there's a deer stand straight in the middle of the photo right here, if you can see it. Another nice campfire wood oak. Another one below it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get down here with the tractor. That was the main reason I wanted to come down here, just to see if I thought I could do it. I think the creek's going to be the toughest spot to cross with the bush hog on the back. Don't want to get the bush hog jammed up. It'll bend something. Anyway, I got to go down and go through that, and I can't do it one-handed. So, enjoy the scene of the woods, and I'll see you next time. Try one more time just for posterity's sake.
Really?
Well, now that I got the camera on. Got it, didn't you? I knew you would.
I made it that time.
All right. That's where we are. We're at the picking things up out of the hole part of the job. The roof on.
Now, as long as I don't step in the middle of that, I'll be okay.
Yeah. That's what'll happen. You won't be paying attention and crunch. And who's going to hold the camera while I pull you out?
Good point. Good point.
Here we are, later in the day, same day. Technically functional. Got to put the seat on there. As long as you're not too shy. Got to get the tin on the roof now. And this makes it functional. Of course, I guess it's functional without a seat. It's just more comfortable with the seat. You could put it farther down if you wanted.
No, I don't want to overflex the thing. I want to put it where it's going to not pinch your butt.
That's important. I've been in ones that did. Maybe a drill bit. I might not have been joking. You might need a drill bit.
Yeah, got it started. Get one going.
Something that dang hard, you might split it when you get it in there.
Once it gets past the threads, it won't.
Okay, so here's a finished product for today. We didn't get around to the door. As you can see, it's getting pretty dark, but it's got a metal roof, got a seat, and a makeshift door out of tar paper. It's functional. It's functional. We plan to finish it tomorrow, get a door framed in there, try to make it look good. And then next chance we get, well, we got to go down and work on another campsite, and after that we're going to be back to the wood mill, the sawmill, getting it put together, getting it put up there where it belongs so we can start cutting stuff. So say goodnight to, yeah, we got the eclipse on Monday, and that kind of moved this project up. I got a bunch of people coming. Say goodbye to Randy, and well,
have a good
say
day.
see you later to Randy, I guess.
Yeah.
He's a little bit tired. He moved all those rocks. He sent me on an errand. When I came back, he was done. I guess he didn't want my opinion on that. We're getting there. I just put up the frame. Randy's working on the door right now. For all intents and purposes, it's functional as it is. It's not a whole lot of privacy. When we put a door on it, you'll have air will get in here and up there, and you can see through the back there. And I will eventually put some screen over that. But for the time being, we're pretty close to done. Let's go get the door, put it on. Well, we're down here behind the lake at the outhouse site, and it ain't completely done. There's a little few things here and there to do, but it's functionally finished. Let's put it that way. You like that word, functionally finished? I like functionally finished. So we're going to show you Randy's grand creation. Nicest thing he ever built in his life, I'll bet.
Oh, man.
Got a nice metal roof on it. The door, show them how the door works. All that trouble to put the door on, let's show them how it works. And when we finish up, we're going to put siding on it. We get the sawmill set up. We're going to cut some like 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch cedar slabs to put all over the outside of it so it looks nice. But for right now, it's got this old paneling that I had left over. This vinyl paneling can handle weather pretty well. That crap on the door is another story. That stuff doesn't handle weather very long at all. About a month. It's supposed to rain all week next week, so it'll probably be shot by next weekend. But there's a door on it for tonight. Let's take a look inside real quick. Need to do something about this ledge out here because it's going to get rained on and that won't last long. I'll paint it or something.
Get some aluminum or something.
Got the seat going on in here. Nobody's used it yet. It's just dirt down there and leaves. You see it's got the barrel in there. Protects everything. Hole underneath. No more people than we intend to have here at any amount of time. I can't imagine it getting used a whole heck of a lot. But it's there if someone needs it. Yep, we'll finish it up. We'll paint what needs painted and trim what needs trimmed. And I'll spray around it with termite stuff and soak it down with termite stuff. And it should last a few years anyway. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.